Hey, it's Susie and Dan, and we are going to replace the hose for the freshwater tank today. When we replaced our recliners, we had the hose got caught in a place where the recliners kept cutting into it, and now the freshwater hose is no longer intact.
Now we're filling up the cabin instead of the tank.
Yeah, so we don't want to do that.
So we're going to maybe splice into it and make it around the recliner. We'll see. So you can see the line coming in right here, where my finger's pointing. It's coming in there. Then it goes underneath the recliner, is where we had the issue. So we're going to cut it off and extend it around.
This is the hose underneath the recliner. Remember, we replaced our jackknife sofa with these two recliners.
You can see we actually disconnected the hose or cut it off. See right here. And then we're going to put a little barb fitting in between this and the new hose and fish it around the frame way back there, then up to the inlet outside the RV. But we're kind of limited with how far we can pull out because we got this hose, which is the air relief. And that's only, it doesn't matter if it has a hole in it or not, it's just air. So we're going to unscrew it from out here. This is the inlet. That's all I can get. The hose on. So anyway, this is the old hose. This is the insert. Put, what you want to call it. That's where it broke. So instead of splicing it in there, we're just going to replace it from the spout all the way to where it was broken underneath the recliner with this bilge hose. So both 1.25 inches. Like that. I would use the PEX plumbing on this fitting, but since this line isn't under pressure, we're just going to use a regular C-clamp. That's actually what came on it anyway. So I'm going to fish this through to you, and you'll have to hand me that air relief hose too so I can hook it back up.
Got it. For today's project, we also brought the generator so that we could have some AC in the trailer while we are working on it, because we are in Florida and it's August and it is 95 degrees. I'm not kidding. We have a shower rinse kit that we were going to test this out with, but we forgot that, so we'll have to test it out another time, or come back and test it out. Dan's feeding the hose in now. Alright, we have fed the new hose through, and now we are going to splice them together.
Like a happy little family. Okay, so hand me one of those clamps. Hand me that barb fitting.
The what?
Yeah. Alright, so this part. You put a little soap on it so we can stick it in there. The other clamp. So you can see the barb fitting right here, 2 clamps on either side. And we have it going out the back of the recliner where it doesn't pinch the frame, or the frame doesn't pinch the hose. Kind of goes up right here, but water will still flow. So water will sit here for a little bit. That's it. That was easy. And then we'll just screw on the outside.
There are chickens in our storage lot, and I was having fun chasing them in our downtime. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much, and safe travels. Happy camping.
Yeah. Yikes. Where are they going?